In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your API key on Convertkit. Whether you're integrating a new tool with your Convertkit account or setting up a custom connection, finding your API key is an essential step that empowers you to automate and streamline your email marketing efforts. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to securely locate your API key within the Convertkit platform. Let's start by navigating to the Convertkit website. The initial step is straightforward. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Convertkit's URL or search for Convertkit online. Once you're on the home page, you'll likely notice how user-friendly and inviting the interface is, which is one of the reasons why Convertkit is favored by many content creators and marketers. Upon arriving at the home page, your next action is to log into your account. To do this, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this button will redirect you to the login page where you are prompted to enter your login credentials. Entering your email address is the first step in the authentication process. Make sure you enter the email associated with your Convertkit account to avoid any login issues. After you've entered your email, the next field requires your password. Take a moment to ensure you input your password accurately. Passwords are case sensitive, so keep an eye on your caps lock key to prevent unnecessary login attempts. Now that you've entered both your email and password, it's time to press the login button once more to access your account. Sometimes it might seem repetitive, but ensuring you've clicked the login button after entering your credentials is crucial for accessing your dashboard. Welcome to your Convertkit dashboard. This is where the magic happens, from crafting emails to analyzing your campaign's performance. However, let's stay focused on our mission, finding your API key. From your dashboard, navigate to the Settings option. This might be represented by a gear icon or simply labeled as Settings, and it's usually found at the bottom left corner or within a drop-down menu at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open a new page where you can access various account settings. Within the Settings page, look for a section or tab labeled Developer. Convertkit has designed this area specifically for accessing technical settings, including API keys and webhooks. Click on Developer to proceed. Now you're in the Developer settings. Here you should see an option for API keys. This is where Convertkit stores your personal API key, which is a unique identifier that allows other software to securely interact with your Convertkit account. Click on API keys to reveal your key. Upon clicking API keys, your Convertkit API key will be displayed. It's a long string of letters and numbers, and it's what you'll need to copy when integrating Convertkit with other software. To ensure security, be careful with whom you share your API key and only integrate it with trusted services. And there you have it. You've successfully located your API key within Convertkit. Remember, your API key is like a password to your account's data and integrations, so always keep it secure and only use it with trusted third-party services. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you ever need to regenerate your API key for security reasons, you can do so in the same API keys section. However, be aware that doing this will require you to update the API key in any external services or integrations that were using the old key. I hope this guide has been helpful in locating your Convertkit API key. Now, with your API key in hand, you're ready to take your email marketing and integration efforts to the next level. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on making the most out of Convertkit and other marketing tools.